Hi everyone, welcome back to Jobkar. I'm Shabana and today we will discuss about a job opportunity. But before that, I want to request you all to subscribe to Jobkar for more job updates and placement preparation related videos. If you are a job seeker, then this will definitely gonna help you as we upload videos on daily basis for job recruitment and preparation. So if you follow us, then this will definitely help you gonna get your new job. So please do like, share, and subscribe, and also hit the bell icon so you never miss any update. And for more updates, you can follow us on Instagram. The link will be in the description box, or you can search as Jobker underscore official. This is our Instagram handle. So with that note, let's quickly move further with the video. So this video is regarding the hiring for network engineer from the Capgemini engineering. Okay, so the salary for this will be 4 LPA and there are 100 openings. Okay, we will quickly see the skills they want. Okay, so they want a candidate with excellent communication skills, both verbal and written communication, and demonstrate an aptitude and appetite for learning new technologies, evidence by ability to expand upon core knowledge, and willing to work 24 by 7 support, and able to identify problems and provide input to resolve the network related issues, and seek appropriate level of guidance and advice to ensure delivery of quality outcomes, and regular participate in project activities as a contributing team member, and actively acquire more complex skills, techniques, operating practices, and knowledge of abstract concept to progress and towards full proficiency in network technologies, and a positive and learning attitude, customer centric, good interpersonal and communication skills, and knowledge on networking technologies, routing and switching, collaboration, data center and wireless security, cloud based support, CCNA preferred, and open for night shifts. Okay, so basically this is a job for network engineer, so all the skills they want related to network. Okay, so you should have a like a lot of idea about networking and their concepts, and also there will be a night shift, so you should be able to work on night shifts. Okay, so candidate who will get selected then will be working as trainee for next 6 months. That means once you joined, then for the first 6 months you will be work as trainee, then on successful completion of internship or training and basis of performance, regular job opportunity will be offered. And so basically first you need to complete your training, and if you complete with a good performance, then you will be offered a full time opportunity, that is network engineer post. Okay, now desired candidate profile. So they want a candidate for networking domain, so the candidate should have the candidate will work as an trainee for 6 months, and 18,000 stipend per month for the during the training, or you can say during the internship. And on successful completion of internship and basis of performance, regular job opportunity will be offered. So if you do not perform good, and if you perform below average in the time of training, then the company may not provide you the full time job opportunity. Okay, on regularization, the salary will be 4 LPA. So if you complete your training and they will offer you job full time job opportunity, then your salary will be 4 LPA. Education they want are from BTech, BE, or MCA. These three graduations are eligible from the batch of 2019, 2020, and 2021. So all the freshers from 2019, 2020, or 2021 who have completed BTech, BE, or MCA are eligible, and the location for this will be Gurgaon. Okay, and candidates should be ready to sign service agreement, and terms will be shared during hiring process. So they have not given that how much time of the service agreement you will sign, but they will share the details at the time of hiring process. Okay, Now undergraduate qualification. So from BE or BTech, any specialization are eligible from the batch of 2019, 2020 and 2021, and there should be no backlogs. Okay, so if you have any backlog, then you are not eligible. For post graduation, MCA is eligible from any specialization. That means all these specialization are eligible for both BE, BTech or MCA from the batch of 2019, 2020, 2021, and without any backlogs. Candidate are eligible. Okay, and candidates should have either undergraduation or post graduation qualification. Okay, so only these three graduations are eligible. This is the company profile, so you can go through it with this, and if you want to know more about the company, then you can go through this website. This is the website for the company, and I will provide the link in the description box. So if you want to apply for this job, you need to click on this apply now button, and after that complete your application. Once you complete it, then if you are eligible and if you follow the company criteria, then you will receive a mail for further communication from the company. And yeah, this is all for today's job video, guys. I'll be coming back with more such kind of videos. Till then, you need to like, share and subscribe to Jobker, and take care yourself, and bye bye.